See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hopefully you all had a great weekend and were able to take advantage of the couple dry days most of us have had here in Acadiana to get out there, maybe rake up some of the leaves, get some of that yard work done, because it does look like another round of showers will be moving through the region on our Monday. Right now, the heaviest showers are northeast Texas into northern portions of Louisiana. That's where our cold front is located. You can see the colder air back behind it producing snow from Kansas into the panhandle of Texas and back over into New Mexico. That will slowly invade us heading into our Tuesday, setting up a very frigid mid part of the work week. But right now, showers continue to be across the northern portions of Acadiana. Basically, Acadiana or Alexandria up to Shreveport and Monroe. We continue to be dry and even have a little bit of a break in the clouds. But eventually, through the evening, we'll see the rain begin to fill in across a good portion of the area. Heaviest showers right now still ongoing back through Rapides Parish into northern Avoyelles Parish to Marksville. You're seeing the rain up towards Alexandria and over into Vernon Parish. You're also seeing some scattered showers. All this is lifting off to the north and northeast. So here we go through the rest of the evening. Most of us stay dry, but you do see a few scattered showers beginning to lift up from the south to the north, but not a whole lot of activity, at least according to the models through the overnight. But we'll have to watch that, as there is a system that'll be lifting that could produce some scattered showers. By tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, we do have a good possibility for some scattered showers over towards the western portions of Acadiana. So if you're heading from Lafayette to Lake Charles tomorrow morning, you could run into some of those scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms, as you do see some of the darker shades, the purple and dark reds. So we will have to watch out for some thunderstorms, maybe strong to severe storms as we head through the late morning into the early afternoon. This is 9:30 when the line begins to make its way through the central portions of Acadiana from Lafayette down into Vermilion Parish, then sliding off to the east. So by about lunchtime, it's now pushing through Iberia down the St. Mary and heading over towards Baton Rouge, at least according to this model. That'll be the main cold front, and then we start to dry out on the back side of this, but we'll still have to watch and see. Other models are a little different. So here we go. Our RPM model shows that warm front lifting that could produce the scattered showers through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, but you can see this model again not painting a whole lot. So I think for the most part we stay dry through the overnight. Waking up tomorrow morning, that's when we start to see the rain push through as the front slides through during the late morning into the early afternoon. Again, this model not showing a whole lot of rain with it, but I wouldn't be surprised if we still see some decent soakings of rain, 1 to 2 inches as it moves through. Again, you could have some isolated stronger storms out ahead of the system as it moves through late tomorrow morning into the afternoon. And then pushing into the evening, could have some light misty showers that continue overrunning the front into Tuesday morning. So it's just going to be one of those raw, dreary, unlikely cold days with the winds picking up and the very cold temperatures moving in, feeling very much like January or February heading into Tuesday's temperatures. 44 for the high with feel-like temperatures in the 30s throughout most of the day with a good bit of cloud cover. So here's our RPM, which is not really showing a whole lot of moisture. As you can see, only about a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain for a good portion of Acadiana. But we'll flip it over to the GFS, and it shows that soaking that I'm talking about. So I would go more closer to this. This has been doing a better job with the last few storm systems. So we'll go about an inch of rain for a good portion of Acadiana, maybe a little bit more farther down towards the Gulf Coast, up to 1.5 inches, 2 inches for Morgan City and into Iberia Parish. As I mentioned, we do have a low-level marginal risk for some severe weather, mainly Ville Platte on southward. So we'll go Highway 190 down towards the Gulf Coast for some damaging wind gusts and maybe some small hail as some of those systems do develop tomorrow morning into the afternoon. But once that front moves through, all the severe weather will move out of the region. Temperatures for the rest of this evening pretty much hold steady in the mid to upper 50s. That's how we'll start off tomorrow morning. So not as chilly to get the work week started. Mid-60s tomorrow afternoon, but then behind that front, you see those temperatures falling. We'll get down into the mid to low 40s by Tuesday morning and then pretty much stay that way throughout the day with maybe a few peaks of sunshine developing by Tuesday afternoon. But I really think we wait till Wednesday before the sunshine really returns across the area. So we'll go 53 for the official low tonight with some scattered showers, maybe developing late. We'll go 50, 60% chance for the rain through the overnight, then bumping up to that 100 with on again, off again showers. Again, watch out for a few strong and severe with 1 to 3 inches of rain possible as that system moves into the area. Turning cold Tuesday and Wednesday, could have our first frost or freeze come Wednesday morning. Just cover sensitive vegetation, not a pipe bursting freeze Tuesday or Wednesday night heading into Thursday morning. But with that sunshine, you do see by the end of the week and into next weekend,